ਹੈਲੋ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ, ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਕਲਾਸ 6 ਦਾ ਟਰਮ 2 ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਮੀਡੀਅਮ ਦੇ ਰਿਵੀਜ਼ਨ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਹੋਏ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ 1-1 ਮਾਰਕਸ, 3-3 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਅਤੇ 4-4 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਦੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਨਸਰ ਦੀ ਰਿਵੀਜ਼ਨ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਲੈਸਨ ਵਾਈਜ਼ ਮਾਰਕਸ ਡਿਸਟ੍ਰੀਬਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਵੱਲ ਝਾਤੀ ਮਾਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਟੋਟਲ 8 ਲੈਸਨ ਹੈ। 8 ਲੈਸਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੇਕਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਟੋਟਲ ਮਾਰਕਸ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਪਾਠਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕੁੱਲ ਮਿਲਾ ਕੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ 40 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਦਾ ਪੇਪਰ ਆਵੇਗਾ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ 1-1 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ 20 ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਉਣਗੇ ਅਤੇ 3-3 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ 4 ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ ਆਉਣਗੇ, ਜੋ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਾਰਟ ਨੰਬਰ 2, 3, 7 ਅਤੇ 8ਵੇਂ ਪਾਰਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਉਣਗੇ। ਉਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਜੇਕਰ ਅਸੀਂ 4 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਤਾਂ 4 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਵਾਲੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਾਰਟ ਨੰਬਰ 1 ਅਤੇ ਪਾਰਟ ਨੰਬਰ 6 ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਹੀ ਆਉਣਗੇ। ਸੋ ਕੁੱਲ ਮਿਲਾ ਕੇ 40 ਅੰਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਪੇਪਰ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ। ਸੋ ਹੁਣ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਮਲਟੀਪਲ ਚੋਇਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦੀ ਰਿਵੀਜ਼ਨ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ 1-1 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਇਜ਼ ਏ ਔਰ ਐਂਡ ਡੈਸ਼ ਐਂਡ देयर ऑप्शंस आर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन, मैकेनिकल मशीन, मैग्नेटिक मशीन और all of the above, and the right answer is computer is a or an electronic machine. And second question is, computer can do dash and their options are calculation, accept data and instruction, storage or all of the above, and the right answer is computer can do all of the above. And third question is, computer perform its operation with high dash and the options are speed, accuracy, quality, and the last one is all of the above, and the right answer is computer perform its operation with high all of the above. And the fourth question is, in bank computer is used for dash and their options are keeping the bank safe, keeping account record, keeping bank clean, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is, in bank computer is used for keeping account records. And fifth one is, time taken by computer to do a work can be measured in dash and their options are minute, hours, millisecond, and the last one is days. And the right answer is, time taken by computer to do a work can be measured in milliseconds. And the sixth question is, in education a computer is used for dash and their options are preparing notes, preparing results, preparing report, or all of these. And the right answer is, in education a computer is used for all of these. And seventh one is, which one of these is a limitation of computer? And the options are speed, accuracy, no IQ, and the last one is diligence. And the right answer is, no IQ is a limitation of computer. And the eighth one is, which part of computer system accept input from the user? And their options are input unit, output unit, control unit, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is, input unit part of computer system accept input from the user. And the ninth one is, which is a part of CPU? And their options are control unit, memory unit, ALU, and the last one is all of these. And the right answer is, all of these is a part of CPU. And the 10th one is, which memory store permanent data in computer system? And their options are primary memory, RAM, secondary memory, and the last one is all of these. And the right answer is, secondary memory store permanent data in a computer system. And the 11th one is, which is a most powerful type of computer? And the options are mainframe computer, mini computer, microcomputer, and the last one is supercomputer. And the right answer is, supercomputer is a most powerful type of computer. And 12th one is, which part of computer system gives result as an output to the user? And the options are memory, input unit, control unit, and the last one is output unit. And the right answer is, output unit part of computer system gives result as an output to the user. And 13th one is, screen appeared after login of computer is called dash, and the options are start menu, desktop, taskbar, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is, screen appeared after login of computer is called desktop. And 14th one is, all the deleted files go to dash, and the options are my computer, network, recycle bin, and the last one is all of above. And the right answer is, all the deleted files go to recycle bin. And the 15th one is, which part of window remains visible all the time when we use other applications? And the options are recycle bin, desktop, taskbar, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is taskbar part of window remains visible all the time when we use other applications. And 16 one is which one is an example of operating system? And the options are Windows, Android, DOS, and the last one is all of these. And the right answer is all of these is an example of operating system. And 17 one is to open a file, we can double click on dash and the options are file itself, shortcut of file, both A and B, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is to open a file, we can double click on both A and B, that is file itself or shortcut of file. And the 18th one is the dash bar is present at the top of the pane window and the options are title bar, status bar, scroll bar, and the last one is taskbar. And the right answer is the title bar is present at the top of the paint window. And 19th one is dash toolbar present in the title bar by default. Its position can be changed either to below or above the ribbon. And the options are quick access bar, status bar, scroll bar, and the last one is all of these. And the right answer is quick access bar present in the title bar by default. Its position can be changed either to below or above the ribbon. And 20th one is the first on the left of the menu bar is the dash button and the options are paint, help, close, and the last one is minimize. And the right answer is the first on the left of the menu bar is the paint button. And 21st one is scroll bar is used to move the screen. It is of dash types and the options are 2, 3, 4, 5. And the right answer is scroll bar is used to move the screen. It is of 2 types. And 22nd question is with the help of dash option we can save a copy of picture with another. And their options are save as, open, new, exit. And the right answer is with the help of save as option we can save a copy of picture with another. And 22nd one is the clipboard menu has 3 options, cut, copy, and dash. And the options are paste, move, close, and the last one is zoom. And the right answer is the clipboard menu has 3 options, cut, copy, and paste. And 23rd question is the top button, a diamond shape with a line through it, is dash, and the options are paste, cut, copy, crop. And the right answer is the top button, a diamond shape with a line through it, is crop. And 24th one is the dash tool can be used to draw pentagon, and the options are triangle, rectangle, pentagon, or hexagon. And the right answer is the pentagon tool can be used to draw pentagon. And 25th one is the eraser tool erases the part of a picture with the dash button of the mouse. And the options are left, right, scroll, or none of the above. And the right answer is the eraser tool erases the part of a picture with the left button of the mouse. And 26th one is color 2 is used if we press the dash button of the mouse press. And their options are left, right, scroll, or none of above. And the right answer is color 2 is used if we press the right button of the mouse press. And 27th one is computer is a combination of hardware and dash. And the options are software, application, processor. And the last one is all of these. And the right answer is computer is a combination of hardware and software. And 28th question is set of instruction is called dash and the options are software, hardware, program, and the last one is application. And the right answer is set of instructions is called program. And 29th one is group of program is called dash and the options are hardware, software, processor, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is group of program is called software. And 30th one is software is of dash type and their options are 2, 3, 4 and the last one is 5. And the right answer is software is of 2 types. And 31st question is computer cannot work without dash and the options are Word, Excel, operating system and the last one is PowerPoint. And the right answer is computer cannot work without operating system. And 32nd question is dash is used to click photos in computer. And their options are headphone, web camera, speaker, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is Web camera is used to click photos in computer. And 33rd one is barcode reader consists of dash and the options are sensor, light, heat, and the last one is magnetic. And the right answer is barcode reader consists of sensor. And 34th question is dash is a pointing device and the options are headphone, keyboard, mouse, and the last one is web camera. And the right answer is mouse is a pointing device. And 34th question is dash is used to add text and pictures in computer and the options are printer, scanner, speaker, and the last one is mouse. And the right answer is scanner is used to add text and picture in computer. And 35th question is dash keys are used to move cursor in all direction and the options are arrow, special, function, and the last one is numeric. And the right answer is arrow keys are used to move cursor in all direction. And 36th question is monitor is soft and dash is hard copy output device and the options are printer, plotter, both of these, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is monitor is soft and both of these is hard copy output device. 37th question is dash is used to listen sound of computer and the options are printer, speaker, microphone, and the last one is mouse. And the right answer is speaker is used to listen sound of computer. 38th question is dash prints output on paper and the options are printer, keyboard, mouse, and the last one is speaker. And the right answer is printer print output on paper. The 39th question is dash printer prints by joining dots and the options are dot matrix, inkjet, laser, and the last one is none of these. And the right answer is dot matrix printer prints by joining dots. And 40th question is monitors are of dash type and the options are 2, 3, 4, and the last one is 5. And the right answer is monitor are of two types. And 41st question is the headphones are also called dash and their options are phone, earphone, both of these, or none of these. And the right answer is headphones are also called earphone. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ very short answer type question ਪੜਾਂਗੇ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵੀ 1 marks ਹੋਣਗੇ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ first question ਹੈ ਜੀ which tool is used to draw a square and your answer is rectangle. Second one is which tool can be used to erase a part of picture and the answer is crop. Third one is which tool allows us for zoom in out picture and the answer is zoom option. And fourth one is which tool is used to freehand writing and the answer is pencil tool. And fifth one is which tool can be used to write text in our drawing and the answer is text tool. And sixth one is which part of CPU connect the other part like processor, hard disk, RAM, etc. And the right answer is computer case and the answer is motherboard. And seventh one is what we call a set of instruction given to a computer and the answer is program. Eighth one is which part of computer cannot be touched but felt and the answer is software. Ninth one is what are two types of software and the answer is system software and application software. And 10th one is which type of software are expensive and their answer is system software. And 11th one is which device is used to capture pictures in computer and the answer is web camera. And 12th one is which part of paint window is used to move screen and the answer is scroll bar. And 13th question is how many function keys are there on a keyboard and the answer is 12. And 14th question is which device is used to control video games and the answer is joystick. And 15th question is which keys are used to move cursor and the answer is arrow keys. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਸ਼ਾਰਟਕਟ ਕੀਜ਼ ਬਾਰੇ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਮਾਰਕਸ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ ਜੀ to create a new file control plus n shortcut key use. Number 2 to open an existing file control plus o shortcut key use. Number 3 to save a file control plus s shortcut key use. Fourth one is to print a file control plus p shortcut key use. Fifth one is undo control plus z shortcut key use. Sixth one is redo or repeat control plus y shortcut key use. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ full form ਬਾਰੇ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਮਾਰਕਸ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੰਬਰ 1 ਹੈ ਜੀ ALU stands for arithmetic logic unit. Number 2 CPU stands for central processing unit. Number 3, LCD. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. Number 4, RAM. RAM stands for random access memory. Fifth one is ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. Sixth one is CU. CU stands for control unit. Seventh one is MU. MU stands for memory unit. Eighth one is IPO. IPO stands for input processing output. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ short answer type question ਪੜਾਂਗੇ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ 3 marks ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹਿਲਾ question ਹੈ ਜੀ, write the name of part of CPU, and the answer is the central processing unit of a computer system is divided into 3 sections. Number 1 is memory unit, number 2 is control unit, number 3 is arithmetic and logic unit. Question number 2, what are the types of memories? And their answer is there are 2 types of computer memory. The first one is primary memory and second one is secondary memory. And question number 3 is what are the secondary storage devices? And the answer is secondary storage devices store all the data that is not currently in the computer primary storage or main memory. It is the memory of a computer system that does not allow CPU to have direct access. It is used to store data for a long time, and the data stored in it is not lost even in case of power failure. It is also called non-volatile memory. It's not too expensive. It has high storage capacity. It can be easily moved from one place to another. And fourth question is what is the function of ALU? And the answer is this unit does arithmetic and logical work. ALU is also called the building block of the central processing unit of the computer system because this block follows instructions. In a digital computer, most of the work is done logically and involve a lot of calculation to be processed. This part of the computer system is built inside the microprocessor. And fifth question is what is microcomputer? And the answer is these computers were so small that they could easily be placed on a desk. They are also called computer on a chip. These computers do about 1 million calculations per second. These computers are used in small offices, schools, small businesses, and other work areas. And question number 6 is what are the different categories of a computer? And the answer is there are 4 types of computer based on speed, memory, processing capacity, and storage capacity. The first one is microcomputer, second one is mini computer, third one is mainframe computer, and fourth one is supercomputer. And seventh question is write the name of any 3 window applications. The name of the 3 window applications are as follows. The first one is Notepad, second one is WordPad, third one is Paint, fourth one is Calculator. And eighth question is write the name of any 3 icons, and their answer is the name of the 3 icons are as follows. The first one is My Computer, second one is Network, third one is Recycle Bin, and fourth one is User Files. And the ninth question is write the name of component of a desktop, and the answer is the name of component of a desktop are the first one is icons, second one is shortcut, third one is wallpaper, and fourth one is taskbar. And 10th question is what is desktop? And the answer is the first screen that appears after the login process is completed is called the desktop, also called the basic controller of the computer. With the help of desktop screen, any application or program can be run or any other need can be done. Question number 11 is define input device, and their answer is an input device is a hardware device used to input data, instructions, and information into a computer. If the CPU is the brain of the computer, then the input devices are the computer eyes and ears which transmit information to it. And 12th question is write the name of any 6 input devices. So some of the common input devices are given below. The first one is keyboard, second one is joystick, third one is mouse, fourth one is web camera, fifth one is mic, sixth one is light pen, seventh one is scanner, eighth one is barcode reader. And 13th question is write short note on joystick, and the answer is the joystick is an input device The joystick has a base and a stick which can be rotated in any direction. Due to its flexible movement, it has more control than the keyboard. It has a lever which rotates in every direction and control the direction of the pointer. The joystick is used to play video games. The playstick has more than one button called push button. And 14th question is, what are output devices? And the answer is, an output device is a computer hardware device that is used to present the result generated after data processing as hard copy or soft copy. The result displayed on the monitor is called soft copy and the result printed on paper by the printer is called hard copy. These devices convert electronic information into human readable information. And 15th question is, what are speakers? And the answer is, a speaker is an output device that receives input audio from a sound card in a computer and transmits the audio output in the form of sound waves. Speakers are used to listen to sound from a computer or mobile phone. Speakers are available in many shapes and sizes. 16th question is, where are projectors used? And the answer is, a projector is an output device that displays any type of image or video from a computer on a white screen or wall or anything else. Projectors are used to play e-content in offices, cinemas, colleges, and schools. Presentation through any image or video is used to convey and explain its meaning to each participant. And 17th question is, what are the types of printer? And the answer is, there are three types of printer. The first one is dot matrix printer, second one is inkjet printer, and third one is laser printer. And 18th question is, write a note on printer. And the answer is, a printer is a hard copy output device used to print data and instruction from a computer on a piece of paper. They can print black and white as well as color documents. Printer speed is measured in characters per second, lines per minute, and pages per minute, and printer quality is measured in dots per inch. 19th question is, write the name of any three output devices. And the answer is, each output device has its own specific function, and some of the most commonly used output devices are, the first one is monitor, second one is speaker, third one is headphones, fourth one is printer, fifth one is plotter, sixth one is projector. Long answer type question पढ़ांगे जिनमें से 4 marks होंगे. जिसमें first question है जी, what are the characteristics of computer? And the answer is, every feature of computer motivates us to use computer which is as under. The first one is speed. The main reason for using computer is the speed of computer. It also completes complex calculation in a very small fraction of second. The speed of computer is measured in thousand of a second, known as millisecond. Second one is accuracy. Accuracy is also an important feature of a computer. The accuracy of a computer generated result demonstrates its accuracy. And third one is reliability. Assuring 100% accuracy of the computer generated result, and we do not need to re-evaluate this result, demonstrate its reliability. And fourth one is tireless. Computer performs first and last calculation with the same accuracy and speed. The computer does not get tired like a human being while working. As long as the computer works, it gives us accurate and precise result. Fifth one is automation. No assistant is required while processing the computer. Once the instructions are given, it automatically works till the end and finally provides the result to the user. Sixth one is storage. The storage capacity of the computer is very high. Each computer is equipped with a hard disk device capable of storing all type of data. In it, we can store text, sound, videos, program, animation, etc. as data. Question number second is, define any 5 application of computer, and the answer is, area of use of computer means all the area in which computer is used, which are as under. The first one is learning. In the field of education, computer is used by students for making notes, drawing, creating projects, reading through e-content, etc. And computer is also used by teachers to create result, timetable, and also used for making report card, etc. And second one is entertainment. Computer is a great means of entertainment. We can listen to songs on the computer, watch movies, play games, enjoy unrealistic 3D effects, create new stories and funny scenes in the form of cartoons. This field of multimedia plays an important role in learning methods through playing. And third one is sports. Computer is used to enhance the efficiency of the player in the field of sports. The player's daily record is stored in the computer to continue to improve the player's skills. Field games can be played in a closed room using an unrealistic 3D station. The first one is hospital. In the hospital, the patient record is kept in the computer. With this, the health care of the patient can be done easily. It is easy to keep track of the patient medication and effect of each medication on the patient health. Computers are also used to perform complex tests in the laboratory. And fifth one is bank. A bank is a place where most of the activity in a bank are related to depositing and withdrawing money from the account. All of this work is related to data processing and requires a computer to perform such processing properly. This makes managing all accounts very easily and efficiently. And third question is, what are the limitations of computer? And the answer is, a computer is capable of doing many things, but it is unable to do many things as its own because it is a machine. Such tasks are called the limitation of the computer, which are as follows. The first one is, a computer cannot make any decision on its own. Second one is, the computer cannot correct any wrong instructions. Third one is, no one can do any work without the instruction of the computer user. Fourth one is, the computer does not have emotions and understanding. Fifth one is, like a human being, he has no knowledge and no experience. Number five is number five is, like a human being, he has no knowledge and no experience. And fourth question is, what do you mean by portable computing devices? Explain any three of them. And the answer is, all the devices that process data and can be easily moved from one place to another are called portable computing devices, which are as under. The first one is smartphone. Smartphone is a portable device which is used to make calls and process data digitally. Smartphone give us cameras and more data storage. Smartphones are used for education, business, entertainment, and games. Second one is tablet computer. Tablet computer is a thin and portable computer. It is powered with battery and has a touch screen which helps it to be used. In tablet, we can write without keyboard. In tablet, we can write without keyboard. Third one is palm-top computer. Palm-top computer is a computer which can be easily operated by placing it on the palm. This type of computer has a small screen and a keyboard. It is not very popular due to its limited uses. Fifth one is explain the uses of computer, and the answer is, computer are used for the following tasks. The first one is, computer are used to perform mathematical calculation. Number two, we can also play games using computer. Third one is, using a computer we can draw something in our computer. Fourth one is, using a computer we can listen to music and watch movies. Fifth one is, you can use computer to make and print books and newspapers. Sixth one is, we can reserve train, bus and plane ticket with the help of computer. Seventh one is, with the help of computer, we can see the schedule of train, buses and planes. Eighth one is, with the help of computer, we can find out weather information of any place before going there. Ninth one is, with the help of computer, we can prepare student result, timetable and reports, etc. And 10th one is, we can also save important data in the computer for future reference. And sixth question is, write the difference between application software and system software. So the difference between application software and system software are, system software are essential part, whereas application software are non-essential part. Second one is system software are very complex, whereas application software are very simple. Third one is system software are expensive, whereas application software are very cheap. And fourth one is system software are made by experts only, whereas a person with less experience can make application software. And fifth one is the computer cannot function without system software, whereas the computer can work without application software. And the example of system software are operating system, etc., whereas the example of application software are Paint, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, games, etc. And the seventh question is write a note on hardware, and the answer is the physical component or part of a computer are called hardware. For example, keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, etc. We can touch and feel these parts, and these parts also occupy space. A computer system is made up by the interconnection of these physical components. Hardware alone cannot do anything. The hardware needs instructions to work. So key feature of hardware are, the first one is we can touch the hardware, we can feel the hardware takes up space, hardware data is stored and processed in hardware. So student, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਮੀਦ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਤੱਕ ਇੱਕ ਮਾਰਕਸ 3 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਅਤੇ 4 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਵਾਲੇ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ ਉੱਤਰ ਦੁਹਰਾਈ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹੋਵੋਗੇ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।